What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. You guys already filmed this video. I already filmed it, okay? But my lights were too bright, so my skin was looking overexposed and it was just looking a hot mess. So now I'm gonna redo the video. So let's start by priming the face with the Fenty primer. I'm not sure if you guys could see it. Now I'm going to go in with the Becca 24-Hour Ultimate Coverage Foundation. This is it right here. It's in the color Maple. I don't know if you could read what's on the box, but it says Maple, I promise. And I just picked that up from Sephora today. I actually went for the Fenty, but they were out of the Fenty, so I picked this one up instead, and I think it looks pretty good. Okay. Oh, I feel like a pimple is coming in like right here and it hurts. Now I'm gonna go in with my NARS in Caramel. I need a bigger bottle because that little bottle, it didn't even last like a month. I'm gonna bake under my eye with the Laura Mercier. I'm just gonna put some in this top right here. I'm gonna contour with my favorite contour stick, the Match Stick in Truffle, and that's the Fenty Beauty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I will come back to do the setting powder. Alright guys, so I'm back, and now to dive in with the Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Medium Setting Powder. Let's get it. So this is how it comes. And you just pop this lid open, and it's supposed to be spill proof. So in my first video, I spilled it all over myself. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shake a little bit and then pop the lid. And it has a little bit of product on there. All I need is that. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to like just pat it all over my face. So I'm just going to add a little bit more. This powder is like really yellow, so you don't want to put too much. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more with a beauty blender under my eye to give it more of a yellow yellow tint, because the Laura Mercier can be looking a little bit casket. So this under my eye is just gonna brighten it up just a little bit more than it already is. I forgot to put mascara, so I'm gonna do that right now actually. Oh, and I didn't even do my lips. Gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips and my eyes on camera. gonna fix that. First, I'm gonna let it dry first. I was gonna put a little mold, but I wasn't gonna put it that big, you know? Let me see what I could do. Alright. Okay. Now let's go in and do my little mole. I like it right here. Oh, if you're wondering what lip liner this is the NYX in Toast. I'm gonna use this beauty store lip gloss in Trust Me. Wrong way. I'm a nude lip type of girl. Like, I don't really like glossy lips too much, so this is it right here. Let me do my setting spray. Okay, so thoughts. My thoughts on the Becca. As far as packaging, I love the packaging. It looks very slick, very nice. You could put it on your vanity if you got a vanity. I don't have a vanity, so I'm gonna put it on my bathroom sink. And it looks very nice. It is glass. It is glass, so be careful because you might drop it and it might break. I really like the coverage. I didn't have to use that much, and it gave me a pretty good coverage, like full coverage. It looks very nice. It's matte, which is what I was looking for because I am very oily, and whenever I go out anywhere, like if I put my foundation on, like the Fenty or even the Marc Jacobs, like I'll be a grease ball by like not even the end of the day, you guys. Probably like in like 4 hours I'm like a grease ball. So this matte foundation, I think it's matte, I'm not really sure, don't quote me on this, but it feels matte on my skin and it looks matte, so I'm guessing it is. It looks pretty dang good. The undertone is right. Yeah, the undertone is right, the coverage is right, everything is just a big old check for me. Now onto, let me cover this up before I spill it. Onto the Too Faced Born This Way. Like, I love this setting powder. Love it. It makes my skin super smooth. It makes it, it gives it a yellow tint to it. So if you use like a neutral type of foundation, this to me, in my opinion, is gonna balance it out. You guys, this is looking so dang good. I'm gonna film on my cell phone and I'm gonna show you guys can't even talk today. I'm gonna film on my cell phone and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the daylight. It's almost night, so I need to hurry up. Let's do a flash test. Where's my phone? You guys, I really don't want to show you guys this picture. Like, it looks horrible. This is what the freaking flash test looked like. This. And I'm gonna insert a clip. Like, it looks mad good when I don't do the flash test like I showed you guys in this picture. It looks really good. But in the flash, yo, if y'all gonna buy this, and I really think this is the one, this is the reason, because I had tried on the, let me see if I have the picture. because I had tried on the foundation in Sephora, and when I went outside inside I took a flash test and it was good. I'm going to show you guys this one. It's an ugly picture, but this is what the foundation looked like inside of Sephora, and this was a flash test. So there was no flashback. This is a close-up. There was no flashback. So it wasn't the foundation. It was definitely this thing right here, and I think I might just return it to Ulta. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna film it in the daylight before the daylight is gone. I'm gonna film it in the daylight and show you guys what it looks like. Now, in my honest opinion, stay away from flashes. Like, if you're gonna wear this thing right here, just stay away from flash and you'll be Gucci. But let me go ahead and film it in the daylight, and then I'll insert that clip into the video. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and come again. Bye. This is what it looks like in the daylight, and it looks pretty good. Oh, my highlighter popping, yes, but it looks pretty good. Say hi, Curry. Say hi. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks really good in natural daylight. So I don't know what this flash and this camera was talking about, like on the inside, but outside you Gucci. Like, if you get this, you'll be okay. Why are you rolling? I swear, cats. But let me do a flash test for you guys, and then I will insert that flash test into my video as well. Bye, y'all.